Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. On the top right corner, tap on plus profile icon. Then after that you'll get to enter on add friends page. On the quick add, if someone's follow you and still you are not friends, they will always show up on this quick add. And if you accidentally deleted someone and they are still following you, they will be here on this quick add and you can add them from there. If they are not on the quick add menu, the next thing you can do is on the search bar you can enter his or her username and after that add them and text them. And the next thing you can do is, if you have their numbers, tap on all contacts on the right side of the screen and then it will show up all the contacts of your phone, and from here you can add them and message them. And this is how we add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Thank you for watching.